Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You can use a Gmail address as your Apple ID for Game Center sign-in. Open Appleid. Apple.com or go to Settings on your iPhone. Choose Create your Apple ID and enter your Gmail address. Use a password that is at least 8 characters and includes a number and an uppercase letter. Enter your birth date and choose security questions to protect your account. Apple will send a verification email to your Gmail address. Open that email and tap Verify to complete account creation. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad and tap Game Center from the list. Sign in with the Apple ID that uses your Gmail address and enter your password. If prompted, complete two-factor authentication using your trusted device or phone number. Choose a Game Center nickname that other players will see in games and leaderboards. Enable friend recommendations and nearby players if you want to discover friends. Close Settings and open a compatible game to confirm your Game Center sign-in. If a game does not detect your Game Center account, sign out and sign back into Game Center in Settings. Restart your device and ensure iOS is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. Manage privacy by limiting friend requests, hiding your email, and restricting data sharing in Settings. For third-party apps asking Apple ID access, create an app-specific password from your Apple ID account page. If you lose access, use Account Recovery and keep your Gmail and Apple ID recovery info current to restore access quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.